back for my final morning report analysis video on Friday the 10th of November with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold, which has a little uptrend building over the last few days. Nothing too major yet, but there is notable traction that we are getting on the momentum indicators now. Stochastics rising, MACD lines pulling higher, and the RSI back above 50. Now, 56 was that point we saw in October, by the way, but there is certainly a bit of upside traction. But can it now start to overcome the big resistance areas? We've got 1290 to 1291. That's sort of a pivot level that we've seen in the last couple of months, 3 months. Having been supportive, became resistance, and again became resistance in late October. So that is your initial resistance to overcome. Then you've got the long-term 1300 to 1310 resistance that we've got as well. They are the long-term pivot bands. So resistance is now coming in overhead, and can this rally continue? As I said, that rally in October failed at 56 on the RSI. MACD line is still below neutral. So these are all sort of things that we need to look out for. Is this a rally that gets sold into? I still think it will be, but for now we're trending higher, marginally trending higher. You can see that in the hourly chart as well. We're still sort of posting a series of higher lows. 1282 being initial support of for the last couple of days. But a move below that would complete a little top pattern, implies sort of $6 or so of downside, measured from the high, projected lower. But I think the support you'd be looking out for would be this reaction at 1279, 1280, which would be a sort of confirmation of that move, really. But the momentum indicator is still positively configured for this rally, but you wouldn't really want to see the MACD lines going below neutral, for example, for any real length of time, or the RSI going below 40, really. So you're sort of on the brink now where you need to see the rally, this correction bought into, and it's not entirely sure yet whether that's going to happen. But for the near-term trend that is in a recovery phase, you'd say that this could be a little buying opportunity, little short-term buying opportunity for a likely retest of 1291. Certainly as per this little uptrend recovery and the improvement in the momentum. But how much further of upside we would get out of gold from that remains to be seen. I'm not convinced it's going to go too much further. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again next week.